Hey guys, Mr. Simpson here from outer space. Wanted to make sure that you knew what these last two assignments could do for you. So, first off, there's this geometry readiness assignment. And I want to talk about that. So, this is, as the title says, an optional opportunity to show how amazing your participation is, which is part of your quarter four grade, and to show me that you're ready for geometry so I can feel better about passing you. Um, Another thing that it can do, if you made a D or 50 something, so a 50 something or 60 something in the first semester, so back before Christmas, and that's a whole lot of you. So I'm going to say that again. If for the first semester you had a 50 something or 60 something, maybe even a 40 something, I might let it slide. um, this geometry readiness assignment is stuff from the first semester. So if you will work through it and show me your work, follow the directions, which we'll go through in a second, then you can bring that 50 or 60 something up to a 70, which means you get to pass. Then you don't have to take Algebra 1 next year, which would be awesome for everybody. So, quick overview of this view assignment. So, what you're going to see here in the instructions are instructions. Please read them. Step 1, for each link, you're going to do each of these things. So step 1, watch a video. So here's a link. So the first thing I'm going to do is watch the video. Then I'm going to look for the corrective assignment. If I get stuck, I'm going to ask Mr. Simpson some questions. That's this guy. And then I'm going to copy down or take a picture of my notes from the video and my assignment work, which is the corrective assignment, and attach that to this assignment, or I will email it to Mr. Simpson. So here's what you'll see. And again, you're going to do the same set of steps for each link here. There are 3 different links. So 3 different videos, 3 different assignments. Here's the first one. Hey, look, a video. I'm supposed to watch this video. That was step 1. So I'm going to watch it. It's going to remind me how to do these problems. After, some fun jokes. So hopefully you'll recognize some of this stuff. It's about solving equations. All right, so watch the video. Remind yourself how to do this stuff, like distribution, things like that. Careful with negative signs. And then step 2, after you watch the video, is open up the corrective assignment. It's going to say corrective assignment next to it, like this one does. So I'm going to open that file. And it's a PDF file. You should be able to open it on your phone. If you have a computer and a printer, you're welcome to print it out, or you can just do your work on a sheet of paper and take a picture of it. So I'm going to open up that file. And then if I remember correctly, the directions said to do the odd problems. So I'm going to do the odd numbered problems and work my way through that. If I get stuck, oh no, a fraction, what do I do? Then I will ask Mr. Simpson for help, or go back and watch the video again because it talks about that. Okay, so I did that assignment. I asked questions because I got stuck. And then I'm going to take a picture of my notes, click, attach it to this assignment, or email it to Mr. Simpson. Now I'm not done because there are 2 more links here. So for the next link, I'm going to again watch the video. They always start off with a fun introduction. It might load slow. And then I'm going to find the corrective assignment. That's the one I want you to do. You can do the other ones if you want to, but the corrective assignment is nice because the corrective assignment tells you the answers, so you'll know if you did them right. Now, don't just copy down the answers. What I want to see is your work. So when you're graphing lines, you should be looking for the y-intercept, -5, and then using the slope to go, let's say, up 3 and over 4, and drawing another dot like that, connect the dots. So then you can check yourself by looking at the answers. That's why I picked the corrective assignment specifically, because the answers are there for you to check yourself. But I want to see your work, not just the answers, because I can already see the answers. Hey, look, there's the answers right there. I want to see how you follow the steps. I want to see your steps. All right, and then there's a third link. This one is about these fun things called systems of equations. That's where you've got 2 equations, and you got to solve them using like substitution or elimination. Those things comes up a lot in geometry. So again, first watch the video, then look for the corrective assignment, and then do that work. Send me the work. Ask questions if you need to. I think that's all I have to say about this assignment. So then what is this other assignment? Well, you probably remember that your 4th quarter grade, your 2nd semester overall grade, is dependent both on your grade at the end of the 3rd quarter, which is what the gradebook shows, and on your participation during the 4th quarter. So what we did back at school during the 3rd quarter was topic 7, which is the polynomial stuff, factoring, adding, subtracting, multiplying polynomials, which you already have like a test retake and all that stuff for. So you can bring that grade up if you want. The other thing we did is topic 6, which is all about exponential functions. So if you want to bring that part of your grade up, then go to this topic 6 exponentials assignment, and it's the same as the one I just showed you. There are 3 different links. You watch the 3 different videos, do the 3 different corrective assignments. A couple of people have asked me, what do I mean here when it says do the corrective assignment? Choose the first if there are 2 of them. Let me show you. So I'm going to go to the first link. After you watch the video and you're like, oh yeah, I kind of remember that, then you're going to go to the corrective assignment. But on this one, there are 2. So the directions say, choose the first one if there are 2. So I'm going to choose the first corrective assignment instead of the second one. That's what I meant. There might have been a better way to say it, but that's what I went with. So choose the first one if there are 2 different corrective assignments. Hey, look, it's got the answers. And again, I want to see your work. So this assignment can help you bring up your 3rd quarter grade. So let's say you've got like a D in the 3rd quarter. Remember, that's like a 60 something. If you do this assignment, you might bring that up to a C. And then with your participation from the 4th quarter, your 2nd semester grade could come all the way up to like a B. So this can help you raise your grade for the 2nd semester a lot. And this one can help you raise your grade for the 1st semester a lot. That's pretty much the breakdown I've got there. So if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. You can post a private comment on here, or you can email me, or post a public comment if you really want to. Either way, that's all I got. These are both due May 14th. That's the last day for you to turn anything in, because that's like the last day of school. So make sure you get those done, and I'm going to stop now.